Hello, beautiful people. Today, I'm gonna cook okra soup with my husband assisting today because he wants to see exactly how I make the okra soup, but he's giving his input on the way that he likes it particularly. Not that I don't know how to make it, it's just he want to be particular and show me exact way that he like it. So these are some of the ingredients and the things that we're going to use today. But he do allow me to season the meat as I like because he says the way that I season it is okay. Okay, so what did I put on the meat?
Okay, first you use the Shazam. It's a seasoning, I think Mexican, right?
It's like a tropical where you can use it for Hispanics or Jamaicans, Caribbean, whatever. But yes, I season the meat with Sazon, some of the Sazon, lightly, not heavy, guys.
So this is what the meat looks like
Okay.
after seasoning.
This
is cow beef, and it's going to be cooked after seasoning with the seasoning. Did you add Maggi?
No, not yet. You don't start the Maggi to put Maggi in it until it starts boiling because
Alright,
I
so
don't want it
that's
too
that.
salty.
And we're going to be adding a little bit of curry powder, grounded pepper.
That is cayenne pepper.
Okay, cayenne pepper, okay. Then we have some thyme and garlic, herbal,
Garlic and
and
herb.
herb season. Yeah.
Yes.
So we also have Maggi.
This is the tomato Maggi with chicken. That is the one that I will use.
Okay. Now we usually use Scotch bonnet pepper and onions.
We normally, as you know, Nigerians and the Africans normally use the red onions, but red onions are very expensive today, so we are using the yellow onions. It'll be just as flavorful.
And we're also using tomato as well. A little bit of this tomato and the pepper fried together will form the base for the okra. So we have the okra here. We're going to cut this up. This will come last.
Yes.
Okay, then that's the pepper, not
These are the Scotch bonnet peppers that we bought from the African store. Okay.
So we have palm oil. This will go on the okra soup. And we also have
The beef.
Maggi.
This is the beef
So
Maggi.
depending on the one you prefer, you can use either the beef one or the tomato one. So any can go for it. And my best recipe for any okra or any soup from Africa is the crayfish.
No, you always got to get this crayfish powder.
This is the magic. Yeah? The magic. Okay, not to forget, we use vegetables when we're cooking our okra because it's also vegetable as well. You can either use ugu leaf or this is already processed ugu leaf.
That we bought from the African store.
So we're not doing anything to it. We'll just wash it and put it. And substitute, if you don't have ugu leaf, you can use spinach.
Chopped spinach. And I always say uzaza, but I think it's pronounced uziza or uziza. But anyway, you know, African Americans, we got our own way of pronouncing things. But anyway, Africans know what we mean when we say uziza, uzaza.
So with this, you're good to go.
So this is the introduction of everything that we will be using. So we're going to come back. I'm going to start chopping up and blending some of the okra because I will show you guys how I mix it. I don't just like one way. I chop some and then I actually put a few in the food processor. All right, guys. This is how it's coming together. As you can see, I have already added the salami, the ones that make more slime because I like mine like this with this texture with the slime. And I will be adding the one that my husband chopped up because I like to have it where it's a combination of slime mixed with the whole okra. But anyway, and now my husband is going to put a I was saying put a little bit of stock in here. Just a little. And then I'll stir it again. And then I'll go ahead and add the one that he... Oh, this is a lot of... Seems like a lot of okra. I didn't use my tripod, so maybe I need to get the wooden spoon. Guys, so y'all can see. Very good. Maybe I should have even used the bigger pot too, but this one will suffice for now. I think what I'm gonna do is add, just a minute, I'm gonna add just a little bit more stock to it. And I'm stirring so it can come together real nice. So, and as everybody know, I don't know if Black Americans know or whatever, but that's married to Nigerians, that okra soup is one of their staple soups that is not too difficult. It's really not too difficult to make. You know, and then too, it's all in people's taste buds, because even with my husband being a Nigerian, he's very particular. And so I have to make sure, because I actually messed that goosey up one time. It's on my YouTube channel. I'm putting too much palm oil, but I've never gotten the okra soup wrong, because, like I said, it's one of the ones that is easier to make. I like just enough soup where... Okay, and now, what is this one? The ugu? Okay. Can you split that out for me? Because, oh gosh, I really should have got a bigger pot, guys. You know, if y'all look at my channel, you will see that I have made this soup numerous of times. But I really should have put it in a bigger pot. But I think it will still be fine. And I'm trying to hold my phone while I stir, because I didn't put my phone in the tripod, just so you guys can get up close and personal to see how delicious. Okay, thank you, honey. Can I add just a little bit more stock? Just a little bit? Because you know I like mine with, when you gonna make swallow.
Yeah.
Okay, can I add just a little bit more stock?
Okay.
Just a little bit, thank you. Because I don't like mine too dry. Okay, I like it too. And I've already put crayfish in here. I like to have a little juice, just a little. But with my husband, I don't think he like all that juice and stuff. So, as you can see, it looks very, very good. Yep. So this is the finishing, guys. I'll just come back when he plated it up, and that's it. This is it. I just need to clean up now. Yeah, this is it, man. And as they can see, by putting the okra in the food processor, the sliminess, it gives it a combination of slimy with whole okra, and I love that. I love mine this way. And at least he's not too picky about that. And this meat is fabulous, guys. I'm telling you. Very fabulous. Alright, guys. To the next one.